So about 6 weeks ago, I made a video on how to use Swipe Swap for yield farming. Today's video is an update on my profits so far and my investment strategy for this platform. You shall not put all your money into yield farming. The pros are that the returns can be pretty high, but the cons, and maybe the major con, is that these platforms can get hacked. So check in with yourself before you get involved. Let's head over to Swipe Swap and have a little look. The first pair I provided liquidity for is SXP BTC. In 6 weeks, 297 SXP are ready to harvest. The annual return is currently 71%, but I have seen it go as low as 62% and as high as almost 100%. So it fluctuates. My second pair is Cardano BNB. So far I have profited 99.8 SXP and the annual return here is 74%. So let's add both up and see how much we got. Copy and paste. 1,888. Let's see how much SXP I have sitting in my MetaMask wallet. 187. Let's add that to the rest of it. 579. Oh, copy, paste. Almost 2,800. Let's see how much Venus I have on Binance. I've got some available USDT, mostly from bot profits. When I'm not trading manually, my USDT account still keeps going up like magic. Every time I check, there's a little bit more in there. And it's because I've got an automated trading bot scalping, trading for me when I'm not on the charts. And so I can rely on my US dollar wallet. It's just magically money just showing up and appearing in there. If you don't know what I'm talking about and you'd like to check out some of my bot videos, then feel free to click on the link right up here so that you can also make some money using an automated trading bot. You can also check the links below in the description, by the way. Okay, so I have $1,400 worth of Venus, also from the bot. I opened the Venus BNB pair on the bot, and then the day after, the price of BNB went and the price of Venus. And so it ruined my setup. So what I did is I closed that bot, but I kept my Venus because Venus against BNB was at a loss, but Venus against US dollar was actually not doing too bad. So I kept my Venus and just left it there in my wallet. And since then it has multiplied. It has actually multiplied enough for me to do some yield farming with it. Okay, back to the trade. I could stake what I have in Venus at the moment, but I'd like to just add a little bit more onto that and get some more BNB. I'm going to buy some more Venus, as you can see right here, $1,600 worth, and wait for the order to fill. Oh, wow, that was fast. Liquidity on Binance is never an issue. So now we have $3,000 worth of Venus. Let's click on withdraw and enter the details, including our MetaMask wallet address, and let's not forget to enter the correct network. BSC, Binance Smart Chain. We'll go for a test amount first. Fee is 30 cents. Yup, very cheap, very cheap. We'll go ahead and if all good, we'll send the remaining amount over. Just waiting for that to process. And boom, wow, that was quick. Now we'll click on Check Explorer and find the VenusXVS token contract address. We'll copy it and paste it into MetaMask. In order to do that, we'll scroll down to add token. Sorry, the language was still in Italian at the time of filming this video, but I have now figured out how to change it to English. It was actually so easy that when I saw how easy it was, I felt dumb. Don't laugh. Okay, you can laugh, I deserve it. Click on custom token, add the contract address, and the symbol should fill itself out automatically. Click on continue and the funds have arrived. I just love this. Do you love yield farming? Comment below if you do. Okay, so we send the rest over and boom, already here. Now to harvest my SXP. Click on harvest SXP, confirm, and wait for it to go through. 2 hours later and all night. Next morning, transaction went through. Wow, that took a while. Sometimes this process is immediate, but if you just so happen to be on the platform when the network is congested, and you're in a bit of a rush, there's no hope. Play your favorite TV series and call it a day. If it doesn't go through in 24 hours, then cancel the transaction and harvest again. You will pay a tiny fee, but oh well. Okay, so it's the following day and prices of SXP and BNB have dropped. Return percentage has dropped too, but we good with that. Gonna harvest the rest of the SXP now. Let's harvest now. Confirm. Wait. Hopefully today. And boom. This one took 10 seconds, see? That's how it's supposed to be. Price of SXP down, minus 14% almost. I doubt the price of BNB will be down so much. Anyways, checking the value of my SXP now. 2,565. That's 235 less than what we had yesterday. Downside of having to wait. We go ahead anyway because our goal is to farm. It's all good. It's all good. Price of Venus, down too. Let's see how much we got. 2,794, only 206 less than yesterday. Okay. Okay, so we got 2,565 worth of SXP that we'd like to convert to BNB and almost 2,800 worth of Venus. We may need to get some more BNB. Let's hover over the exchange tab and click on swap. Click on the drop down and select SXP, then we click on select a token and choose wrapped BNB so that we can get some BNB using our harvested SXP and click on swap. Confirm and confirm again. That went through immediately. See, this is when we fall in love with swipe swap all over again. Hover over exchange, we click on farm. We are going to approve staking on the pair. Ooh, just 27.96%. It's gone down since yesterday. But as I said, this happens. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down. So, you know, approve staking, can't confirm. Let's try again, cancel, confirm, approved. Back to exchange, pool, create a pair, wrapped BNB, Venus, max Venus, approve, pending, approved. Yeah, this is when we like it. Stake. Oops, I have no LP tokens. Sometimes you have to do it again for some weird reason. Oh well, we gotta get some more BNB anyways, so let's do that. I'm going to wrap another 0.5 BNB from my available balance. Actually, let's make it 0.47 in order to have a 50-50 split. Exchange, swap. Swap BNB for wrapped BNB, 0.47 and wrap. Approve and boom chakalaka. Ooh, like chocolata. Exchange, pool, wrapped BNB, Venus, supply, confirm supply, approve on MetaMask. That's gonna be another all-nighter. Okay, see you tomorrow. Still nothing. I will cancel and try again. I did that whole process again. I'm not going to show that on screen, way too repetitive now, meaning I managed to get my LP tokens. So we go back to the farm page, find the pair, hit on stake. Now we see we're the proud owners of 9.4 precious LP tokens. Let's hit max, confirm that, approve on MetaMask, and we wait. About 4 seconds later, stake is approved. Let's refresh the page and boom, boom, boom. It's all there. It's all there. Fantastic. BNB is now up 3% and Venus is up 1.6%. 50-50 split of each one. So now we're staking Venus BNB. Amazing. So now I've got 3 stakes going: Cardano BNB, SXP BTC, and this one here, Venus BNB. As I said before, you don't want to put too much money on these things because they are susceptible to hacks. So don't put too much money. Just put a small percentage of what you have if you do want to take advantage of the yield farming and make the most of it and make some profits. But again, like, I totally do not recommend you put your whole, because it can be very attractive to be like, wow, 100% almost return. I'm just going to pour everything on there and I'll become rich. Don't do that. Do not do that. Okay? Don't avoid. Sometimes, the beautiful things tempt us, but it's so easy to get pulled into these things. Now, as far as I know, this platform hasn't gotten hacked yet, but you know, just be cautious with everything you do. Like when it comes to investing, just diversify as much as you can, just in case one of the systems, you know, gives us a kick in the butt. 3 days later, let's have a look at the situation. So, oh my goodness. Wow! Remember how Venus BNB was something like 27 or 27%?
Look at this. Look at this. Ooh.
Now, Wrapped BNB and Venus is 140%. So we've gained 6.38 SXP from that in 3 days. Let's add everything up then. Let's see how much money we've made in the past 3 days. Starting with Cardano, Wrapped BNB, 8.42. Let's copy that and paste that. That's about $33. Not too bad. Let's grab the calculator here, put that in. $33. Okay, let's see what else we got. We've made 6.38 from Wrapped BNB and Venus. That is $25. Okay, lovely. Let's add that to the 33. Now 2462 SXP we've gained from SXP BTC. Copy that. And let's paste it right in here. Ooh, $96. Yummy. Let's add that to everything else and we get 154. That's $51 per day.
Wow.
Okay, now that I've got 3 stakes going, it's all adding up. And the price of SXP has actually dropped. Price of SXP is $3.92. And we're pretty much used to having a $4.85, almost $5 SXP. So when the price of SXP goes back to those levels, and based on some technical analysis that I did, I'm actually predicting 7.5 SXP in the coming weeks max, if everything goes well. Because, you know, like with technical analysis, you know, we do our thing on the charts and then our setup just gets ruined by some, you know, other thing. But, you know, if it follows the rules, 7.5 SXP is not at all unreasonable. All right, so you might see me get all excited about these profits, but look, I am 100% aware that I could wake up tomorrow, go check my swipe swap, and have 0 in there. Look, you know, hackers are real, and we need to be very cautious with how much money we put on the line if we don't want to get hurt. Okay, so it's just a little disclaimer. I don't want to make this video and then you go ahead and put all your money on swipe swap and then something happens. Okay, don't do that. Don't. I've said it several times in this video and I'm very adamant on the fact that you shall not do that. The safest way to invest is to, play around with your money as much as you like. Do trading, do DeFi yield farming, do all of this stuff, but have a ledger as well where you can have some assets in cold storage just in case, you know, things go down. Moral of the story, do not give up. The crypto space is an innovative space. Sometimes things work, sometimes they don't. Sometimes you have to insist before they go through. I am posting these videos because you may encounter these situations. And look, if you do, then at least now you know that it might take a little bit of patience or a little bit of repetition. Upside is fees are tiny and rewards are huge. So don't be lazy. And remember the risks of getting involved in yield farming. My strategy for Swipe Swap is to get involved in the ETH BNB pool and the DOT BNB pool. Trust Wallet BNB, maybe, but just maybe after ETH and DOT if I'm still feeling it. But that would be my third kind of, you know, option. Like maybe first ETH or DOT and then maybe Trust Wallet BNB. Now I do realize that that is quite a lot of money that I'm risking here. But as I said before, you gotta be cool with it. That is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Are you involved in yield farming? Let me know in the comments below. What is your experience? What has your experience been so far? Are you interested in getting involved? Check out my swipe swap tutorial and my bot videos, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.
Uh-oh.
My second pair is Cardano BBB. I sound like a cow.
Ma.
So wow, yellow doesn't look too bad. Cause I'm a dark girl.